When searching for kitchen and bath remodeling contractors nearby, consider remodeling both your kitchen and bathroom together for these 5 reasons. 1. Cohesive look. Certain materials can discontinue production for various reasons. If you wait to replace your kitchen and bath on separate occasions, there is a chance a material you previously used in one room will no longer be available in the other. 2. Contractor simplification. With one contractor taking care of everything at once, there's a chance you can negotiate a deal and condense 2 contracts into one. 3. Material age. With your kitchen and bath being remodeled simultaneously, all materials and labor used will age at precisely the same rate. This can simplify keeping track of warranties. 4. Home value. Remodeling your kitchen and bath simultaneously will dramatically and immediately increase the resale value of your home. 5. Economic considerations. Remodeling your kitchen and bath together means avoiding inflation or price increases on material and labor, saving you money in the long run. Ready for your kitchen and bath remodel? Contact MBC Remodeling now at 717-371-5136 to get started today.